Hi, I'm Jake Kaufman, and welcome to the Sound Society. Now, what you're witnessing here is a whole new concept in music television. Our goal is to bring you the best and the brightest in upcoming musical talent and entertainment. Now, you're going to get to see brand new artists that you've never seen before. You're going to get to see them in live concert footage as well as up close and personal. Now, don't be surprised if you never heard of them before, because that's where we come in. We're going to introduce you to these people. Again, we're going to give you the opportunity to see these people in concert, live footage, in-depth personal video coverage. We're going to let you know who they are and why they're important, why we think that you should know them. So stay tuned, because there's a lot more coming up right here on the Sound Society.
Daniel Asnault. I'm walking up to the Mercury Lounge here in Manhattan. We're going to check out a new band. I think you're going to like them. I'm here to meet Racquel Lehrman. You ready for this? Let's go. Racquel, how you doing?
Hey, Scott, how are you?
What's the band's name that we're supposed to see today?
We are going to see Hatch, and we are very, very excited about this. Are we not?
We are very excited.
We are very
excited. We're going to go in
excited.
and have a great time.
Okay, come with us. Oh.
Okay. Come on, join us.
I've probably seen Hatch 8 or 9 times.
MJ, have you ever seen them perform?
Yes, I have, a number of times.
Really?
Sex appeal, talk to us, let us know.
Me, I want to know.
Sex appeal, definitely.
This band's like, they're my favorites. They really are. Chris.
Chris is chewing tobacco, and I find that kind of interesting. Now, is this an all-guy band?
No. They have one girl who's the drummer, something unique to the band. Yeah, and the rest are guys.
Okay, so between you and me, Sandy, are the guys cute?
The guys are pretty cute, yeah.
All right. I'm looking forward to seeing this band already.
I mean, I think we're a relatively new band, only being together for about a year, performing and stuff. So our first goal was to get a demo out there that we could record that we were pretty happy with, and it's the one I think you guys have heard. And back then we recorded that almost a year ago, and I think the purpose of that was to kind of get us into the clubs in New York and stuff like that. That was the next step. Let's start playing out live. Let's start attracting attention both on a fan base and on a record label level.
When I was growing up, I'd asked, my parents, can I take drums? And of course, they're like, girls don't do that, it's a joke. And so I stole a pair of drumsticks from my older brother who played in a band, and they used to have practice down here in my house. So I'd sneak down here and take sticks, and I'd play along to the radio.
we could be the next big thing, and I have no problem saying that I have a lot of confidence in this music, so that I don't have to cower to anyone. Hi, I'm Kevin. I'm the lead singer.
Hi, I'm Robin. I'm the drummer.
And I'm Tom, and I play bass. Thank you.
How did you guys come up with the name Hatch?
Actually, Hatch comes from a 1980 movie entitled Victory, and every like sporting event has their own kind of like feel-good movie about it. And this one was soccer, and Sylvester Stallone plays a soccer player in the movie.
I think I've seen this movie, and they escape from jail. Yes.
Movie trivia, thank you.
There you go.
Okay.
And lo and behold, Sylvester Stallone's character's name in the movie is
Hatch.
How long have you guys been together?
Us four here have been together for, what, 3 months only. Brett was the newest addition. The three of us, the trio, we've been together for almost a year. And as a band, I mean, the whole concept of the band and everything started out only about a year and a half ago.
I need you guys to come big tonight. The crowd's gonna be rocking. This place is gonna be happening. This place is so big, Spinal Tap played here in '84.
There it is. Is this place great or what?
Can I help you guys?
Hey, is this the Fish?
Yeah, it's the Fish. You guys must be the band. You can set up over there.
Hey, buddy, where's the crowd? Where's the people?
Son, we haven't had a crowd here in years.
Hey, what's the chance of me getting a nice cold beer?
How special?
Dreams of your life.
just saw Hatch's video, The Adventure Begins. They're a good band, they're good people. Check them out as soon as they come to your area. You'll really enjoy them. We're just about done here, but before we go, we're going to ask a couple more questions. I'm going to go run off and have a beer. You guys have a great time. This is Scott Daniel Asnault for Sound Society. Wait a minute. I have one. Peace. Do you guys think that you can compete with some of the bands that are out there?
There's no doubt in my mind that it is. I mean, there's not a plethora, if I may use that word, of bands out there who really are phenomenal. I mean, there are bands out there who are very mediocre and are making millions of dollars.
We had a great time. This is Hatch. Check them out as soon as you can. High energy band. I don't know what else to say. Gotta love them. Raquel.
I thought they were great. I love them. They are so much fun. And we are out of here. See you guys in the studio. So cute.
Great band.